Hey guys, I got this pond here, this pond liner, I guess you could call it, made out of hard plastic. But in the bottom, it's got a little bit of a divot, and I'm afraid it might leak. I'm about to make a pond out of this thing, so I'm gonna try something I saw on YouTube for repairing this. Zip tie and a lighter. Let's give it a go. Okay, this here is the back side right here, what we just repaired. And it's a little rough, but I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like you would do with welding, you hard face it. Basically, I'm gonna put a layer of plastic right over that to kind of keep anything from leaking out. Just kind of a double-sided repair. Oh yeah, that's quicker. Just kind of paint it on there too. Oh, that works good. Kind of melting it into that base. Trick here too is kind of keeping the heat off the base plastic as much as possible, because you can really distort the base of it. You can sand it down real good and smooth it in. Okay, I went ahead and expanded the repair a little bit. Had some thinning right here, and I had a little pit right there. I figured go ahead and use the rest of that zip tie up, but that works like a charm.